So today we're going to replace the my tan steering wheel with black to complete my black conversion. Well, not really complete, but to partially complete my black conversion. So this one is from the junkyard, costs like 20 bucks. I didn't get the airbags because it's way too expensive. It's like $50. So I'm just gonna paint the existing airbag. So I use a screwdriver, put it here. I have to rotate it, put it in the hole, put it in the hole here, there on this side, and then squeeze it. Move the screwdriver like inwards, and then it will like move the spring that actually have the that holds the airbag in place. So before you pull this airbag out or disconnect it, make sure that the battery is disconnected. So, and also you cannot like turn this and insert the hole without putting in the key and probably turning it on, so that you will not be like turning the steering wheel with all your might. You need to turn it on and then move the steering wheel, loosen the other side of the airbag. Then once you're done with that, go to the other side, turn it again with the engine on, and then once it's like loose like this, stop what you're doing, disconnect the battery, and then that's the time you could disconnect the airbag. Since I have the battery out, I could like pull this out, and then there's like a rubber band there holding the cable, so take note of that. And then there's one large bolt over there. Now the reason for me it's okay that this is the steering wheel is tan colored, but I noticed that there's some discoloration in here. So I am pretty much OCD on this kind of imperfection. So since I was able to find a decent black one, I'd rather just replace it. Anyway, I don't like tan colored interior, just like this. So I got the airbags out. This is going to be painted black. So removing this cable, it's not really an issue because they are color coded, and you won't actually make a mistake of reconnecting them again. So I'm gonna preserve this, and then I think this is maybe probably an 18 mm. I'm gonna use an impact for this. Okay, an impact works best for this. No sweat. Trying to make sure that these cables are not going to be tangled. Okay, got it. Okay, so there are no markings that it should be. There's no marking to put the steering wheel back, but I made sure that my steering wheel is even. It is slightly off to the left, but it should be okay. And now it's off. Trying to compare the two, so they should be identical. Yep, this one. Now you should note that the clock spring slot should go in here, and then this one over here too. It should be aligned with the hole in there. So that shows that everything is correctly in place. So this one has a red Loctite. I have a blue one in there. Should be okay to use blue. Yeah, red is like permanent. Yeah, I put in too much blue Loctite. Should be okay. The first coat for black. I'm gonna let it dry, and then I'm gonna wipe this paint out from the logo. Second coat, and we are good. I'm just gonna apply probably a thinner on this one to get rid of the paint. So get the logo back, and it's really dry now. It's really quick drying. So I'm gonna put it back and we should be good to go. So got all the connectors connected, and we'll just press this in. Okay, so I'm glad that I didn't buy the airbag because the paint actually matches the steering wheel. There you go. Converted my steering wheel to black. Now I'm just gonna put some protectant in here to make it more black, or more black.